Hello guys, hello. This is for Taurus. Taurus, welcome dito sa aking channel, Kapalaran 888. Welcome. Alamin natin Taurus kung anong messages, vibration, gabay, energy para sa inyong lahat. Okay, so this is from January 5 to 11, 2026. Para sa lahat ng Taurus. Taurus, please comment down below if you're resonated. Okay. Alright, so meron kang 4 cards ngayon, Taurus. First card natin is you need to listen. Second is invite your fears to tea, dance, and you are healing. Wow. Unahin natin dito yung listen. Yung listen card na yon, sinasabi ng bara sa likod na to na, are you talking more than you're listening? Okay, masyado ba tayong madaldal? Or this is parang related to sa pride din. Kasi pag ma-pride tayo, hindi tayo masyadong nakikinig. We're talking, ganyan. So, dito sinasabi na, are you talking more than you're listening? Masyado ka bang maingay, madaldal, kaysa makinig? Do you finish people's sentences for them? Shh. Yun. Sinasabi ng bara dito na true connection is about how we make people feel and whether or not we're being open and present. Life is communicating with you, dear one. An important message is trying to get through. Let go of your fear, which is related dito sa invite your fears to tea. An important message is trying to get through. So, let go of fear of not being heard. You'll get your chance. For now, just listen. Okay. Family. Magsimula tayo sa pamilya. Okay? Patungo doon sa trabaho. Meron dito na Taurus na pwedeng nakakaramdam ka ng self-pity. May kapatid ka, but yung feeling mo is inaapi ka ng magulang mo, ng mga kapatid mo. Maybe that's your ego talking. Or maybe literal, totoo na inaapi ka. But dito sa barahang to, sa linggong ito, sinasabi ng baraha sa'yo na kailangan muna nating makinig. Sa linggong ito, pag may nagpapaliwanag, may nag-explain, or kahit walang nagsasalita, through actions, makinig ka. Okay? Magmasid, makinig ka. Okay? Huwag tayo munang mag-react, mag-respond, and hayaan muna natin na mangyari. Yung parang hahayaan mo lang yung tao na magsalita, hahayaan mo lang yung sitwasyon ngayong linggong ito na mag-flow, parang ganon. Para walang gulo. Okay? Next is invite your fears to tea. So, which is similar here na sinasabi ng baraha na huwag tayong matatakot. We need to face the reality, face the fears, and huwag tayong masyadong negative. Okay? Dance. Okay. Kick up your cute heels. Okay. So, dito sinasabi ng barahan na this week daw, yun, huwag tayong masyadong maingay, magulo. We need to focus on peace. Okay? So, sinasabi ng baraha, we can pray, we can set for intention, we can exercise, we can dance, we can party, we can eat healthy, we can release our stress and emotional baggages, and we can celebrate. Parang ganun yung sinasabi ng baraha sa'yo. Diba? Wow! And dito naman, sa last card natin, you are healing. So, healing happens in seasons, okay? It can be rushed or forced to fit a schedule. So, often, we curse the seeds that haven't taken root, failing to realize it's not your time. So, they need more water, sunlight, and care. Bullying ourselves, block regeneration. Also, sometimes the healing we're focused on isn't the healing that's taking place. Okay, so parang sinasabi ng barahan na to na kailangan natin maging mapasensya. Kasi nag-heal tayo eh. Even if it's family issues, sa trabaho, ganyan-ganito. Huwag nating madaliin. Okay? So, yun. You are healing. So, this week, ang message na to ay para doon sa mga Taurus na ang dami-dami yung grudges and resentments. 'Di ba? Yung parang everyday, naiipon yung resentments mo sa katrabaho, sa pamilya. Sinasabi ng baraha sa atin na kailangan natin palayain kung ano man yan na negative na yan, kasi nakaka-apekto yan sa buhay mo. Mag-enjoy. Okay? Huwag matakot. Pakinig. Your healing. Huwag nating madaliin ang proseso. Just go with the flow. Kung ano yung nangyayari sa linggong ito. Alright. Okay, first card natin is Nine of Swords. Diba? And Six of Pentacles. Meron dito na Taurus na maybe you are experiencing nightmares or mga negative thoughts and emotion, mga dreams, parang ganon. Parang marami kang mga nightmares, parang ganon. Or hindi ka ba makatulog sa gabi? Or parang nakikita ko sa'yo dito, there's someone na tinutulungan ka financially dati, and ngayon ay parang wala nang natatanggap na tulong. Parang ano ba yung pinaka magandang message na to, ng nahirapan ako magsabi kasi baka masaktan kayo. Okay? Eto, maybe you feel something sama ng loob. Okay? Pwedeng sa linggong ito makaramdam ka ng sama ng loob sa taong generous. Okay? If it's water sign, Pisces, Scorpion, Cancer, or someone na pwedeng this is part of your family. Pwedeng parents mo or someone na tinutulungan yung pamilya mo. And nag-iisip ka sa gabi. You're thinking na gusto mong humingi ng tulong pero hindi mo magawang humingi. It's because nararamdaman mo sa taong ito na she or he is not willing na mag-share na ng blessings. Okay? So, yun. Hirap mag-explain kasi baka yun yung problema sa tarot eh. Minsan kasi, yung mga nanonood, nakikinig, parang yung nagde-deliver ng message, sila yung parang nagkakamali. So, kailangan nating maging careful. Magician, Knight of Swords, Emperor, and Empress, which is maganda siya. Makakatanggap ka ng mga magical, unexpected na messages from someone, babae or lalaki, for Sun, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, or any zodiac signs, na pwedeng unexpected. For example, nag-apply ka sa isang company ng trabaho na hindi mo naman siya field, hindi mo naman skill siya, pero matatanggap ka. There's so much news, good news, opportunities na pwedeng pumasok sa buhay mo na unbelievable. Diba? Yung mga hindi mo inaasahan, unexpected. So, marami kang disappointment sa buhay this week, but there's a miracle coming. Okay? So, you need to prepare yourself. Ihanda mo ang sarili mo. Ihanda mo ang sarili mo para sa milagro. Ihanda mo yung sarili mo para sa big, huge blessings na to. New beginnings, inspiration, or anything na pwedeng magpabago ng takbo ng buhay mo. Okay? Thank you guys. Bye!